投資市場咧有兩個時期嘅，包括升嘅時牛市，跌嘅時候熊市。Bitcoin 都唔例外啦。咁喺 Bitcoin 熊市嘅時候有冇投資嘅機會呢？答案係有嘅。你喺 Bitcoin 熊市嘅時候，將啲 crypto 咧放喺呢個加密貨幣嘅投資平台，好似今日要介紹嘅 Matrixport，去收息或者買一啲結構性嘅投資產品，去為你嘅虛擬資產增值。咁我哋而家開始睇下點樣做法啦。大家好，我係老鼠叔叔。Matrixport 咧係全球咧礦機最大嘅生產商比特大陸嘅子公司嚟㗎。呢個咧就係 Matrixport 同埋比特大陸嘅創辦人吳記航。好似其他加密貨幣嘅投資平台 ，Matrixport 咧都有迎新優惠㗎。你用邀請碼開戶，第一次嘅定期存款咧就可以享有超高嘅30%嘅年利率，價值1288嘅 USDC 嘅體驗金，同埋完成某啲步驟咧仲會有啲現金回贈㗎。你可以用我嘅邀請碼 PS2GXZ 去開戶，我將個開戶連結咧放咗喺描述欄嗰度㗎啦，或者咧 scan 畫面呢個 QR code 咧都可以㗎。你可以用電話號碼、電郵甚至 MetaMask 去開戶㗎。之後咧你要 download 個手機 app 咧完成開戶過程。你打開個 app 之後揀 sign up， 入翻你嘅電話號碼或者電郵，咁咧就完成開戶嘅第一個步驟㗎啦。但係如果你想用盡佢嘅功能，你咧就要做身份認證啦。揀 verification， 再揀你嘅國家，之後咧再根據指示上載你嘅身份證明文件，再自拍。通常咧佢嘅身份認證咧半個鐘頭之後咧就會批核㗎啦。呢啲咧就係迎新優惠啦，包括存款嘅體驗金、高息嘅定期存款同埋雙幣投資嘅體驗金。咁我哋開始咧睇下點樣拎法啦。你喺迎新優惠咧第一行度揀 redeem， 佢就會打本俾你，俾1288個 USDC 去收息。但係如果你要收取呢個利息，你咧就要存入啲加密貨幣。Matrixport 咧有幾種入金嘅方法嘅，包括用區塊鏈 send 啲幣入去啦。用國際匯款咧存啲錢入去銀行戶口，同埋用信用卡買幣。咁我喺呢度咧就示範點樣用區塊鏈，將啲加密貨幣咧點樣由呢個 Binance 傳去呢個 Matrixport。首先咧，你 Matrixport 度咧睇翻你個入帳地址啦，再喺 Binance 嗰度咧填翻上呢個地址。我建議你咧用 TRC20嘅網絡，個手續費咧會平啲嘅。通常咧幾分鐘之後咧就會入帳噶啦。我建議你哋咧可以傳入一個畫面顯示呢幾種加密貨幣嘅，因為一陣間第二步。你哋咧可以用佢嚟做定期存款，收取30%嘅年利率嘅。第二個優惠咧，你就完成之前講嘅 KYC 身份認證，就會享有咧8日嘅高息嘅定期存款嘅。最低嘅投資咧係300美金，最高嘅投資咧就係5000蚊美金。咁我呢度咧就用翻之前存入嘅 USDT 去收息啦。佢嘅定期咧年利率係30%，為期咧就8日。如果你存入最高嘅金額5000美金咧，8日之後就應該會收到32蚊美金嘅利息㗎啦。第三個迎新優惠就係一張雙幣投資嘅試玩券。乜嘢係雙幣投資呢？其實咧就係一種加密貨幣嘅結構性投資產品，類似啲銀行咧之前幾年咧成日 sell 嘅股票投資掛鈎票據。以呢個畫面為例子啊，個掛鈎價咧就係1粒 BTC 咧對26,500蚊美金，個年化收益咧就大概64%。如果結算當日，如果 Bitcoin 嘅價格咧低過個掛鈎價，你咧就會用 BTC 嚟接貨。相反，如果個價格咧高過個掛鈎價，你就會以個年化收益收翻 USDC。Matrixport 咧每一個月咧可以俾你免手續費提幣一次嘅。除咗將啲加密貨幣轉去自己錢包或者其他交易所之外，佢仲可以經由國際匯款將美金咧存入你嘅銀行戶口入邊嘅。你喺呢度咧入翻你銀行戶口嘅資料，同埋完成埋啲雙重認證嘅設定咧就 OK 㗎啦。我驚我解釋呢個雙幣投資咧解釋得唔清楚，或者我哋一齊喺度睇下佢官方嘅介紹短片啦。
What is the dual currency product? The dual currency product is a digital wealth management service introduced by Matrixport. With its unique settlement method, clients are guaranteed to gain profit from either currency payout. For example, a client chooses the BTC USDC dual currency product at BTC's linked price of $8,000. There are two ways for the payout in the end of the fixed term. If BTC market price is below $8,000, clients will get paid in BTC so that they can earn more BTC. However, if the market price is above $8,000, clients would be paid in USDC, which helps them earn more USDC. Clients can choose the product based on their risk preference. An example of the BTC product, clients are exposed to lower risk when they set a higher linked price of BTC and a shorter term contract. Thus less profit they can make. Alternatively, clients can make more profit with higher risk by setting a lower BTC-linked price and a longer-term contract. Compared with other digital wealth management methods, the dual currency service in general has more predictable risk and higher profit. The service is suitable for professional investors.
另外咧 ，Matrixport 咧都有啲基金嘅投資組合嘅，大致咧分為 BTC 同埋 USDT 兩種。BTC 嘅目標係賺取更多嘅 Bitcoin， 適合熊市嗰時咧趁低吸納；而 USDT 基金係相反，就希望賺取更多嘅 USDT， 適合咧想轉翻去法定貨幣嘅朋友。除咗雙幣投資同埋基金之外 ，Matrixport 咧仲有其他嘅結構性投資產品嘅，好似追勢自營、鯊魚期同埋區間獵手。今次條片咧時間有限，就唔能夠一一詳細介紹啦，留翻下次有機會再同大家研究下啦。又或者又睇下啲官方宣傳短片啦。
What is the Smart Trend Investment Product? The Smart Trend Investment Product is a digital wealth management service introduced by Matrixport. It is an intelligent product that identifies the market trend, thereby helping investors earn more on DeFi products. Smart Trend investment products currently support BTC, ETH, BCH, USDT, and USDC investment. Their names are Smart Bull and Smart Bear. To help you understand how the Smart Trend investment product works, we have given some examples of BTC pledges. Other Smart Trend investment products share the same mechanism but have different asset pledges. Let's say that investor buys Smart Trend products on Matrixport by investing his BTC. Funds raised by this product would be invested into DeFi mining assets that generate basic profit, along with portion of call options. This formulates the following revenue model to balance the gains against the risk. If this investor thinks the market is bullish and chooses BTC Smart Bull, he can earn a very different yield depending on various market scenarios. 1. If the BTC settlement price is no more than $34,000, the investor can get a guaranteed return of 1%. 2. If the BTC settlement price is more than $34,000, the annualized yield will rise from 1% linearly and will reach its maximum 14.9% when the settlement price exceeds $44,000. On the other hand, this investor is better off choosing BTC bearish smart invest if he thinks the price is going down. 1. If the BTC settlement price is no less than $33,000, the investor can get a guaranteed return of 2%. 2. If the BTC settlement price is less than $33,000, the annualized yield will rise from 2% linearly and will reach its maximum 23.9% when settlement price falls below $23,000. Basically, with this product, you get a guaranteed base yield no matter what you choose. If your judgment towards the market trend is correct, you will make additional earnings from your digital assets. The Smart Trend investment product has compounded interest for every investment cycle, which means you are able to make higher returns from DeFi projects. Download the Matrixport app now and learn more about our product offers. We are looking forward to helping you optimize your investment strategies and grow your digital wealth.
Knowing when to enter the market is always stressful. That's why Matrixport has created a new strategy tailored specifically to you, BTCU Range Sniper. Range Sniper is an options-based product that offers the ability to automatically calculate the differences between spot, options, and settlement prices, then snipes the asset at the cheapest price. In a fluctuating market, this allows you to deploy your stable coins in a way that's easy and effective, with potential to generate yields of up to nearly 200% APY. Here's how it works. If the settlement price of BTC is above the bottom of the range, you can earn up to 192.5% APY. If the settlement price of BTC is above the top of the range, you can earn 10% APY. If the settlement price of BTC is below the bottom of the range, you'll buy at that price and you can still earn 10% APY in BTC. This is a great way to maximize returns in bullish conditions and accumulate efficiently in bearish conditions, without the stress of trying to trade options on your own. So how can you get started? Our staking period is for 2 hours every Monday. You can then choose to automatically reinvest every 7 days for an even higher APY. And when you want to cash out, your funds are unlocked on the 10th day after investment. You can do this on the app in 3 simple steps. Step 1, fill out the form with the amount of USDT you want to invest. Step 2, read about the strategy and make sure you fully understand it and the risks involved. Step 3, let us do the work and generate your APY. Grow your wealth. Matrixport.
今日條片咧就去到呢度。 如果你中意呢條片或者覺得呢條片咧對你有用咧，麻煩你俾個 like 留個言啦。最好就 share 條片俾你朋友睇啦，同埋訂閱佢頻道。左手邊仲有2條片嘅，你睇下啱唔啱睇啦。多謝你嘅收睇，下次再見啦，拜拜。